far more than a device that tells time. A bespoke mechanical watch movement is a living, breathing microcosm of engineering and art. How are these tiny, intricate masterpieces with hundreds of components meticulously crafted? It begins with the design of the caliber, often involving complex calculations. Each of the hundreds of components, plates, bridges, gears, pinions, springs, are then individually fabricated with extreme precision using CNC machines and traditional lathes. The beauty of a bespoke movement lies in its finishing. Each component is meticulously hand-polished. Edges are beveled and polished, and surfaces are decorated with intricate patterns like perlage or Geneva stripes. Tiny synthetic ruby or sapphire jewels are pressed into plates to reduce friction. The critical escapement, anchor, escape wheel, balance wheel, and hairspring, responsible for regulating time, is painstakingly assembled. The mainspring, the power source, is wound into its barrel. The intricate gear train, transmitting power and driving the hands, is then carefully assembled, ensuring perfect meshing of each microscopic tooth. The assembled movement is then regulated through multiple positions and temperatures, adjusting the balance wheel for peak accuracy. Each movement undergoes weeks of rigorous testing to ensure unwavering reliability. From a collection of meticulously crafted components to a symphony of precision timekeeping, that's the extraordinary art of bespoke mechanical watch movements, a testament to enduring human ingenuity and passion.